Hey everyone, we are working on our Unit 5 packet, and we are starting a new topic, and that topic is number 1, inequalities. So topic number 1 is just basically intro, how do we write about inequalities, how do we speak about inequalities, that kind of thing. So first we are going to place numbers in this spot so that each inequality is true. And so I'm going to pick any number I want, but first we're going to talk about what this symbol right here means. So this symbol, how you read that, is the symbol less than. So we have to think about numbers that would make this true when we read it. So I'm going to pick my favorite number, it's 5. So if I was going to read this sentence, I would say 5 is less than, and then I put here any number that 5 is less than. So let's say 5 is less than 8. That's true. Alright, this statement right here, this symbol, means greater than. So, greater than means it'll pick the same number, 5. I would have to say 5 is greater than, and then put a number there that would make this true. So let's say 5 is greater than 0. That's a true statement. Alright, this statement right here, again, same symbol as here, less than, but it has the line underneath it. And that means less than or equal to. So let's pick 5 again. 5 is less than or equal to, we could actually put the number 5 here. That would work because it satisfies this or equal to part. 5 is less than or equal to 5. And then lastly, this is greater than or equal to. So we'll say 5 is greater than or equal to, let's pick something that it's greater than 4. Alright, so on to the next part, we are going to just decide if these inequalities are true or false. So first inequality says 6 is less than 10. That's a true statement. Next, 5 is greater than negative 10. And if you think about a number line, on a number line, 5 is to the right of negative 10. So that's true. Alright, so this one says 15 is less than or equal to 16 minus 1. So let's think about what 16 minus 1 is. That's 15. So really this is saying 15 is less than or equal to 15. And that or equal to means this is okay if they're equal. That's true. Alright, 4 is greater than or equal to 4.1. Now 4.1 is slightly bigger than 4. So by us saying that 4 is greater than 4.1, we are saying something false. Alright, on to the next one. 3 is greater than 10. That's a false statement. 3 is less than 10. 12 is less than negative 4. That's also a false statement. It should be the other way around. 12 is greater than negative 4. This is false. Alright, now let's work on these problems on the right and the left here. So I have 10 minus 2, that's 8. My symbol is greater than or equal to. And then I have 6 plus 2, that is also 8. So I'm left with 8 is greater than or equal to 8. Since I have that or equal, that's true. Alright, on the left side of our equal sign, we have 2 times 6. That's 12. I bring down my symbol, less than or equal to. And on the right side of my equal sign, I have 5 plus 1. That's 6. 12 is less than or equal to 6. That's false. Alright, next we are going to write each of these inequalities using words, and also we're going to write them a different way that is still true. So, the first one in words looks like this. 6, I should have the word is. 6 is less than 10. Now that's a true statement. 6 is less than 10. If we want to write this a different way, we can also arrange these in a different order, but we can put, let's say, the 10 first and the 6 next. If I want this to still be true, the symbol that I need right here is not a less than symbol, but a greater than symbol. And this is still true. 10 is greater than 6. All right, the next one, let's write this. 5 is greater than negative 10. That's a true statement. 5 is greater than negative 10. To write this in a different way, we could put the negative 10 first. Now, if I put the negative 10 first, I'm not going to put a greater than symbol. I'm going to say that negative 10 is less than 5. So if you look at the comparison between what we just did, 5 is on the left and then 5 moved to the right. And here, negative 10 is on the right and it moved to the left. And if we do that, if we switch the order, we also have to switch the symbol. This moved from a greater than symbol to a less than symbol. All right, you guys are going to have some practice on this in your homework later on homework number 1.